Hey, this is Yasir, Rec Detailing. Just doing a little touch up on these wheels. And one product that's good for that, as you can see, is not a whole lot of brake dust. So Eco Waterless Wash not only works on your paint, but it works on your wheels. So just a touch up, get a light brake dust, dirt, a couple of spritz. Wipe up what you need, flip it over to a dry side, buff it out. And you can't see in the camera, but there's light brake dust on here. That's all I'm cleaning up. The car isn't used heavily, so if you got something like that, a garage queen, or you just don't drive it on a regular basis, nothing heavy, so you're not accumulating a lot of brake dust, this product is perfect for that. So if you just need a light cleaning for your wheels and something for your paint, Eco Waterless Wash is great for that. It's by P&S out of California, so it's Epic Waterless Wash. So great for cleaning up paint as well as your wheels. So check them out. And you can find it on the website as well, store.reclaydetailing.com. If you don't see it, just send me an instant message or call me and I can get it for you. Thanks.